Excellency, the accreditation committee is critical to the success of the national convention. How many delegates are you expecting at the convention? Then are you not concerned with the court injunction going up and down, buying some people from participating as delegates?
Yeah, in the first instance, we are trying to put everything in process. I cannot give you the exact number of delegates now, but they are going to be over 3,000 because we're trying to look at all the issues, including some people trying to stop some delegates at the court. But I think we're on top of all that. We're trying to handle it. At the end of the day, by Thursday, we would have the accredited number of delegates, and we'll be able to give you the number of delegates when we meet here on Friday morning. But we are not worried about what is going on. We always have a way of resolving our issues, and God is always with us. You can see that most of the positions, actually people have been returned unopposed, particularly the very critical positions of chairman and secretary. National chairman, national secretary, national organizing secretary, all these ones have been returned unopposed. So that shows you that the party is really on course to a successful convention.
Your Excellency, how does your committee tend to navigate that often thorny issues of delegates accreditation so that at the end of the day there won't be rancor? Maybe during the accreditation, some person who feel they should be delegates are not disenfranchised, so to say. So that at the end of the day,
in the real sense of it, the delegates know themselves. There are no real issues concerning delegate elections, but in about 1 or 2 states, we still have issues, people contending in court as to whether some elected officials at the state, whether they should actually be there at the state. I think we have such a situation in Ekiti and one other state. But I think the legal advisor will offer us his opinion before the end of today, and we'll know what to do. I don't think we're going to have any issues largely on that.
Your Excellency, is it possible that some states where we have conflicting delegates, that they may be omitted to say out so that they don't have to mark the convention?
We may likely not have conflicting delegates, but wherever we think that there is a court order, then we'll have no choice than to exit those delegates, excepting the statutory delegates who by their own rights or positions held in the past and not by reason of election are supposed to be delegates.
When to the waiting to cause the affect the credibility of the
It cannot affect the credibility. We're asking you to wait on so that we'll be able to give you the numbers. Otherwise, we'll have our list ready. But until we look at all these issues, and in 1 or 2 cases where we are told that cases are in court and we have a legal opinion, it will be wrong of me to give you an exact number because I don't want to talk to you, give you the wrong number, and you take me up on that.
Thank you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.